Hello and welcome to the video. This is my third and final draw for this time for the season. So you're only going to have relatively short time to put your name on this one before I do the draw at the beginning of 2024, because we're nearly there. This time is for this thing here. This is the SkyZone Steady View X module, perfect for those of you that are still loving and flying analog FPV, and it is a great way to create something like a ground station or potentially add it to a HD goggle that has an AV input. There's lots of different ways that you can use something like this. So fancy it? Well, pretty standard stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. I will do the draw in the first couple of days of 2024, so make sure you pop your comment down below. Best wishes to everybody. Thank you again for watching the content over the Christmas period, and best wishes for 2024. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.